In this video, we'll talk about Solana, which has proven to be holding its support levels very strong, and we'll talk about whether it's possible to get some more bullish breakouts. First of all though, good morning, welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you're new. We'll basically do a full overview of Solana, right? So we'll talk about the fundamentals and then we'll really zoom into the technicals, because I think the technicals are pretty interesting, to be honest. So first of all, something that is relatively bearish for both the fundamentals, but also, well, not really for the fundamentals, but it is bearish for the technicals, and I'll explain why if we actually go into the technicals. But first we'll start with the fundamentals. Volume is dropping compared to the market cap. It is still pretty high, but it is dropping. Mainly because, well, we've lost the momentum, all right? We had a lot of momentum heading up to our main resistance levels around 14.75. And then obviously, if you do not break through easily, volume is dropping down. And apart from that, the entire market is also kind of in a standstill. We have quite bullish fundamentals economically, like the DXY is falling, which is bullish for crypto entirely. But that's also not moving a lot right now. And fundamentally for Solana specifically, but also for the markets, there's still a lot of bearish fundamentals and a lot of fear. All right, that's also the main reason why Solana fell. The bearish fundamentals and the massive selling by FTX and Alameda Research. But we will not get into that too much in this video, because I've talked about that countless times over the last weeks for Solana. I've also, these Solana updates have started to become a little bit more like a daily update. Let me know if you value that, or whether you'd like it more like a every other day kind of thing. I do enjoy it because Solana has been very volatile, just overall it has been. So I think it's interesting and valuable to talk about that. Apart from that, no specific fundamentals for Solana around the DeFi ecosystem. I think the DeFi ecosystem is still just recovering from everything that happened. Overall, I think Solana is still a little bit undervalued, but that doesn't mean anything in crypto if there still is a lot of fear. So what I said last analysis, to get into the technicals, maybe the most interesting part, is that we just had a bullish breakout above $14. And you can also see that that level around $14 is a pretty strong support level. And we have been holding that for quite some time. So what I said is that this happened the 24th. So this happened yesterday. We're on the 1 hour time frame because I wanted to really zoom in and show you. What I said is that if we could actually stay on top of this for, I guess I said like 2 or 3 days. So like tomorrow, if we're still here tomorrow, I think that's a very good thing, because then what I think and what I thought is then we have actually shown that we have this bullish momentum, and then I expect us to break above 14.75, because we have shown that bullish momentum, because you can also see that the trend and the market structure has changed. And I thought, yeah, then we can break above 14.7 and probably reach into 15.5, 15.7 as a resistance level. And I still believe this. I still very much do. The one thing why I wanted to make this update though is because, we're not really, especially lately, finding the support I want to see off of $14. As you can see, what I did with this analysis is I expected us to kind of consolidate, not just reach 14.7 and then just barely staying on top of $14. So I think the risks are increasing of breaking down below $14. And if that happens, we'll probably drop down to 13.5, take a break retest, and kind of depending on the markets, if the market remains stable, we'll just consolidate here. But consolidating here does kind of eliminate the possibility of getting up to 15.5. So it would still be considered quite bearish in my opinion. It's just the main reason why this is happening is because of the thing we talked about earlier with the volume. The momentum is gone. Also because the momentum in the market is kind of gone. But the momentum is gone. We are finding support, but not that strong. So even though I still think this is 100% valid, I think it becomes less and less likely that we will hold $14. So that's my update on Solana this morning. If you do have any questions, and apart from that, long term, I'm still a fan of Solana. I wouldn't buy at these levels yet because I want the market to stabilize a little bit more, but I am a fan. So that's my take. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, have a great day and bye.